Hey, what's up, everyone? It's John, and today we're going to talk about temping in dental offices as a dental assistant. So, we get a lot of questions. Hey, what do you think about temping? Have you temped? What should I expect? Well, for starters, what kind of temping are you doing? Are you stepping out of your comfort zone where you work only in ortho and now you're getting into general? You're just trying to pick up a day or two. You're definitely going to be out of your comfort zone in those situations. So, you want to prepare as best you can. So whether you set this temping up on a platform like a Facebook private group or through a temping app, you want to make sure this is definitely not a fake it till you make it kind of situation. You want to make sure that you are being truthful and accurate in what knowledge you're bringing to the table. Because let's face it, all these dental practices are different. And then they're a little bit shocked when a temp comes in and they say, I can't believe they don't know this, they don't know that. Dentists have to realize that they are not the only ones doing it their way. There's a lot of different techniques and procedures involved. And if you're bringing in a temp, that's something that you have to realize to be patient. Nobody knows, temp wise, like you come in, you don't know where anything is in the practice, let alone how that dentist and office operate. So you want to make sure that you're asking these questions. You find out the office, look at their website, find out what procedures they're doing. Maybe you've never assisted on an implant before. Uh, you know, some dentists do not do root canal therapy. So then you go to an office and they're like, I can't believe this assistant doesn't know how to do root canal. You have to understand someone coming in as a temp, they're just essentially trying to help you get through the day. And yeah, there are some people with a lot of experience that know a lot of different things, but the majority of assistants are working with, one doctor in a small practice, or even if it's a corporation, typically they're working with that one doctor, they know that one technique. Maybe they're picking up temping because their office is closed for a week, or it's a Friday, the office is closed. They're just trying to pick up an extra shift. So if you are in office, show that patience. Be appreciative of someone coming in and helping because they are trying and they're definitely out of their depth as far as their comfort zone and knowing what they know versus converting it to what you're doing. The main thing is to be patient. But if you are an assistant, you're thinking about temping, I highly suggest you do it because it's better to learn the different techniques and procedures out there as well as networking. Dentistry small, that's something we always talk about. So just getting out there, talking to people, and you know, you never know what you're going to find. That's the main thing. We see it's a constant change in dentistry as far as wages and benefit packages. So getting out there, even if you're not looking, but you go to an office and all of a sudden, hey, my friend the next town over is looking. I know that's closer to your home. Opportunities arise, and typically only good things can come out of temping and just getting out there, not to mention the extra money. So if you need some help, we temp through GoTo. We actually have a link for that. So feel free to contact us and we will certainly send that to you. You can always call, text us at 412-779-3654. Or like I said, drop us a message. We'll send it to you and you can set up an account. You get $50 when your first shift is complete. So always a great thing to try out. So if you have questions about temping or other things along the dental assistant line, feel free to contact us at cornerstonedainstructors@gmail.com.